aakyat kami sa Golden Valley kasi may atinan kami dong nature walk. You know nature walk, Gab? Do you know what's nature?
Kapaligiran, nature, ano yung nature?
Then what's walk? Then it's walk.
Ano ka nila yun? Ay, kita na linis na yun. Wala may mga asin. Ani? Ano na yung dinig siniman? Patay na.
See that, Gab? You've been there, oh.
Patay na.
You've been there.
Nakasaka kami ni dati sa tuwa. Sa office.
That's wigwam.
Bukas pa nakaraan. Paano napatay lang?
That's the nest.
Ang good. Nasa Facebook.
Our subscribers will not see it.
They will see it. They will see it
Napatay lang
up.
siya. Ang iba niya pamilya. Patay man.
Sila nung reason, wala guro din sila magasikaso eh.
Wait, where's your shortcut there?
That's just it. You just have
Namin
to
ang pala
walk.
dira like kainan.
You take a shortcut.
Ang view sa taas. Ay, beauty ko. Wala gali ko sulod nila.
Okay, this is the DPWH view deck. Okay. Some people are here now. They're walking here.
Lawan, no?
Oh.
Mas maganda magandang walk kaysa sumpa-sumpa.
Okay, ang walk light lang sa paa mo. Pero hanggang sa hips ka lang, wala sa katawan.
Mabilis na makapayat ang lakad. Pero sa una, mga bata pa kami. Hindi kami matapaan.
Bibibit man din kayo sa pagkain.
Ay, ang putang litlay.
Wala mo silang
Kabalalay,
pagkain.
gulay. Adlaw na yan.
Ang paggatas ng bata yan, hanggang 12 years old yan.
Oo.
Oh, that's Golden Valley, Gab.
Daw na remember ko.
Go in there.
Grade 1 ko, ako ganun gatas. Okay na.
I don't know how to get in there.
Na marupok mga bones. Basic.
I don't know.
Matulog na lang to.
Ay, as in.
Ang
There's
walang
the
alam dili oh.
bucket chicken.
Ah.
Ano kung diin?
Oh, one way daw, one way. So we'll go this way. This is good. This is a good
Huh?
thing.
Tapos namin pag ginagawa ko straight line, wala ko manok yun. Makaunta na nila lang mga tukusik nila.
One way. Okay, one way.
One way ticket.
So where are we going to park?
Hindi naman din dati ka ano, mag-walking sila ano.
But there's already a living there.
Yeah.
May patay na
Yeah.
dyan.
So where are we going to park?
Kita pala, ano oras mag-start?
5:30 daw.
Hindi na pa 5:30, wala na.
Kasi nabiyaan na tayo.
CR.
Mag-walk na sila.
Saan sila mag-walk?
Wait,
Dira, sa
why is
Too
your
slow.
coffins here? This is a good place, I said.
Good place? Yeah, I guess so. Oh, no.
Guys, when it's already nighttime,
Yeah,
then it's scary at nighttime.
yeah.
Kasi ang hindi babae mo,
Stay there for all day.
Yeah,
No, just
we can go there. Don't say that.
you know what? Even smell is good.
Let's walk.
Gab, you're here! Saan ba tayo? Wala doon.
Hello, sumbaking.
Chest mic. Ay,
Ano po? Gab, Gab. Gab, let's walk around muna, Gab. Let's walk around. Dito, magtiki kami dito. What can we see from here?
Just a rooster.
Oh, there's no road there now. Oh, there's a road going down.
Bye.
We'll just look at here. Dito tayo.
Hello. Test, mic, test. Ay,
Wait, Dad, why'd they put candles over here?
It's all dead here. Patay pala yan nandyan.
Sige, tapakan natin.
Oh, mga patay pala ito. Sige, let's walk around. Wow, you can do it, man. Yeah, you can do it, man. Oh, okay, that's enough. So this is the view deck. This is good, pero kuwan na siya.
Wow, this is an old train.
Yeah.
Hindi na tibag ng nilo doon, no?
Nagka-crack na siya. This is supposed to be a view deck, but you cannot view anything from here.
Dad, watch out from the track.
Yeah. Look at that. There's crack now. There are cracks there.
Sinaulan ng ano.
Well, Mommy, you can go there, even go there.
Yung pala CR.
Dad, there's the CR, Dad.
Ah, I peed there. The CR is here. Okay.
Dad, you need to run quickly. I will thought it's gonna be real. Because there's still the lamp. Wait,
So, ito yung loob ng Golden Valley.
I see a Dad.
There's no way out there. Dito na tayo. This area, Gabo. Check this area.
Wait, Dad, I see something.
Yeah, there's a lot of place here. Oh. See? It's like a terraces.
Dad, if your car got the baby, even put the baby here, then the baby will jump, even he will fall down there. Now it's hard to reach the baby.
Yeah, pilay ang baby, pilay. Okay, let's go.
Hurry up before us won't catch us.
Oh,
Chicken.
don't touch the chicken. You do not know if it's really a chicken. Shh.
Joking.
Don't joke with the chicken because we do not know if it's really a chicken.
What?
What it will turn into something.
Monster?
Yeah. Chicken monster.
That's not even true, Dad.
Oh, we do not know. There are possibilities, you know.
Then I need to find my weapon.
I'll do it. Don't run, Gab. Gab. Shh. Kasi green ito, slippery.
Wala siya space.
Ha?
Hindi na ma-video. Tani ko. Hindi ko pa-video. Hindi, tinyo man.
Nag-walk kami
Ano
dito.
ba anong meron doon?
No, it's not.
Ay, hindi yan makahiya.
I gotta go down properly.
Hold yourself.
Careful, Gab.
Hold yourself.
May costume sila sa ano. Ah, te.
Dito balik.
Balik natin, Je.
Gab, you have to wait.
Hindi ata.
Daddy, saan ang balik?
Depende sa iyo.
I'm gonna make it 100.
Ay, yung bag mo pala.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14,
Oh, this is it now.
15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21. Go na! 22,
No, he's just waiting.
24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30,
Sige, continue.
31, 32, 33, 34, 35,
Oh,
36,
sige.
37, 38, 39,
Kilalang mo.
okay.
Gab, gaya ka. Gaya, Gab.
Yeah.
You can do
Yeah.
it.
Na, how about Mamita there?
Wala kayo ko, Gab. Busin na ganito. You will do it slow.
How about Mamita there? Si Mamita ko makasurvive.
Ayoko naglalakad na to.
I can not.
This is good for your feet.
Baba natin yan sa sakyan, te.
It will strengthen your feet. Keep pushing. Keep pushing.
I cannot.
Keep pushing. One at a time.
Dali may harap, di mo galit tiyo. Damo, ganyan yung jogging dali. Abaha daw siya. Kukahapo na, oh.
One at a time.
Kapit na lang, tunga na. Balik na tayo. Muna rin matitaw na. Daw na eh, ano, wala na. Lakat na ba? Dapat sa likod, ano bilhin? Oo, nag-ano sa likod, nag-ano sa enjoy sa lakat nila. Sa likod, damo. Awak na sila! Sa likod. Sabi ng simba, nagsandiwa, nag-check. May papasusumbawang ko pila kauran, di lang nino.
Stay, that's the.
Hey,
You made it, man. What can you say?
I cannot make it.
Huh?
It's too hard. It's 100 meters, but I cannot do it. Only I can walk 1 meter. So
Okay.
Wanna clear a bottle of Cabernet. Wanna stay home, not even drink. Wanna get out of my own head. Wanna lay down, overthink. I wanna cry every tear I got. Put on a dress, be a stranger's dream. Lock up this heart of mine, wanna wear it on my sleeve. I kinda wanna hate you, but I wanna love you too. I wanna hold you close and let you go. Find someone new, and I wish it wasn't, but my mind's made up in two. What's killing me the most is knowing two things can be true. wanna throw away your enmity.
I cannot do it.
Do what?
Why? Cannot. No. Because my speed boost already ran out. Even my feet hurt. My back hurt.
Mag-hurt daw yan ang feet.
That's normal.
Gab, I cannot do it, Gab. It's too hot. It's 200 meters long.
Okay.
When two things can be true.
Yan mo ang boyfriend mo.
I cannot make this far.
What can you say about the nature walk? The nature walk.
I cannot do it.
Again?
I cannot do it.
I kinda wanna hate you, but I wanna love you too. I wanna hold you close and let you go.